Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our guide on resetting the oil change light on your Dodge Durango. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your vehicle in top condition, and resetting the oil change light is an important part of that process. So let me guide you through the procedure. Resetting the oil change light in the 2007 to 2024 Dodge Durango is easier than you think. We'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can confidently perform this essential maintenance task. So let's do it. Step 1. Turn the ignition switch to the run position or hit the start button 2 times, but don't press on the brake pedal. Step 2. After that, step on the gas pedal 3 times all the way down within 10 seconds, and it'll reset the oil change reminder. Once you're done, you can turn off the ignition and then start the engine to verify the indicator has been reset. If it is not reset, you can repeat it or use this second method. For the newer Durango, like the 2015 to 2024 models, the oil life system can also be reset through the cluster display. So let me teach you right now. Step 1. Stick the key in and turn it to the run position or press the start button 2 times, but don't press on the brake pedal. Step 2. Use the down button on the steering wheel to scroll down to vehicle info or the little car icon. Step 3. Use the right button and scroll through until we get to the oil life. Step 4. Hold down the OK button until the oil life display changes to 100% and you're done. So that's how easy it is to reset the oil change light. Thanks for watching our guide. Remember to stay on top of your Durango's maintenance to keep it running smoothly for years to come. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time, and happy driving!